The hierarchical system of ranks is a relic of the past that has no place in a modern, egalitarian society. These ranks create artificial distinctions that undermine equality and justice, perpetuating a culture of arrogance and exclusion. This is especially evident in the military, where a rigid hierarchy fosters blind obedience and bravado rather than true leadership and critical thinking. History has shown us time and again that this mindset leads to disastrous decisions and a lack of meaningful contributions to society. This problem extends beyond the military to many organizations that still operate under outdated hierarchical structures. In such environments, innovation and collaboration are stifled, as ideas from lower ranks are often ignored and decision-making is concentrated in the hands of a few. Companies that have embraced flat organizational structures, such as Valve Corporation and Zappos, demonstrate that removing ranks can lead to greater innovation and employee satisfaction. Education systems and political models that emphasize equality and shared decision-making further illustrate the benefits of dismantling hierarchical structures. It is time to dismantle these outdated hierarchies and build a society where every individual's contributions are valued equally. By abolishing ranks, we can foster environments where collaboration and innovation thrive, and where every person is recognized for their true worth. This is essential for creating a just and equal society that reflects the principles of equality, justice, and human dignity.